Hello everyone. I developed an application called Survey 1 Survey to AutoCAD. This. The goal of this app is to export an DXF drawing file directly from survey data. This application helps you to reduce the time required to complete a drawing from several hours down to just a few minutes. If the internet connection is good, it can take as little as 15 seconds to generate a drawing for a kilometer router. Basically, you go to the field, tap the point similar as a GPS. Here. Yes, this is a 9 point. And then export a DXF file, drawing file containing a survey point. The result will look like this. Here, you can change the color in the layer. Contour line is in 251. Okay. Offset rows yellow. Okay, and the text layer set red. Okay, and the row I down the row. Yes. Okay, contour line. Yes. I am an electrical engineer and my main work has been designing power distribution networks. Regarding field surveys and GPS point collection, there are some Android applications that can do this, some free, some pay. They export KML files. However, they only stop at the survey stage. There has not been any application that directly exports a complete drawing files. In the past, when generate drawings with rows and contour lines, I use Google Earth using router tools. That make me a lot of time. There are also some websites that can do this, but they are quite expensive and you still have to manually handle points, text, block, object rows, and other elements, which also take a lot of time. For contour line, I'm currently use a resolution of a pixel equals 12.5 meters, which is one of the best available satellite elevation datasets. Most other tools use a pixel equals 30 meters, so the contour lines often look jagged or not realistic anymore. Survey 1, Survey to AutoCAD is fast and accurate. I set the maximum survey length to 15 kilometers. You can download the app using link below or search for it directly on the App Store. This application is developed for iOS, iPhone and iPad. I do not make it for Android. Goodbye. See you in the tutorial video.